Udokotela uRamokgopa uthi i-Eskom izimisele ukuqinisekisa ukuthi ingqalasizinda yayo ihlale isezingeni nasesimeni esifanele. Lokhu ke kuza emva kokuba iyunithi yesibili yesiphehli sikagesi iKuberg isinikwe imvume ukuba isebenze kuze kube u-2045.
Kuberg is an important part. This license means that we have an opportunity to derive electricity supply from these two reactors, which give us in total 1,860 megawatts.
Ngokusho kwesikhulu esiphezulu se-Eskom uDan Marokane, umphakathi oseduze kwalesi siphehli usuzuze lukhulu ngaso.
You only have to look at the current Kuberg site, the impact it has on the economy in that area and in the country perspective, the positive contribution to what skills that we have, that is actually giving skills even to other global geographies.
Kusenjalo, uMarokane uthi ezinhlelweni zokuguqukela ekuphehlweni kwamandla ogesi onganukubezi imvelo, uhlelo lokusebenzisa amandla enuzi ilona oluhamba phambili. Lokhu ke kuza njengoba i-Eskom inikwe imvume yokuba yakhe isiphehli sikagesi ngamandla enuzi eWestern Cape.
We have always said that nuclear is going to be a key and core component of how we transition towards cleaner technologies, but also ensuring that on the back of new investment in energy, we can also industrialize the country.
Ungqongqoshe wezamandla nogesi uphinde wathi bazosebenzisa imali elinganiselwa ku-2.1 billion amarandi ukukhokhela indawo lapho kuzogcinwa khona imfucuza ezobe iphuma uma ngabe kukhiqizwa ugesi ngamandla enuzi.